Consistency is everything. Like, you need to be aiming for micro sessions every single day or every second day versus 2 or 1 big session a week, and you can't even do anything on the other days. If what you are doing is compromising your entire week or even compromising your entire day, it's too much for where you're at right now. Now, obviously, we have step-by-step trainings in our program called the Movement Mastery Program. We've got a Mindset Mastery Program too, but Movement Mastery Program, we take you through the process of how to progress appropriately depending on what stage you're at. We have programs from pre-beginner all the way up to advanced. So if you're someone who wants to really go into that high level strength and you want to just feel incredibly strong, we have programs for that. If you're someone who just wants to kind of get back into life and living, we have programs for that too. Because again, we need to factor in your personal goals. You might want more flexibility. We have a lot of people who love hiking in our program, for instance. So a part of their focus was working on building the strength and stamina to be able to go hiking again. And, it's just been awesome to see people posting videos of their first hike again and photos of mountains and in Norway and USA and everywhere. In fact, we have a past client, Christy, who put up an amazing success story on YouTube actually. And she climbed something, I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was ridiculous, like pro level kind of mountaineering. It sounded absolutely incredible and amazing for someone who had to get fed food and was in a wheelchair to then building up the strength and capacity over time to enable her to hike again. And so here's the key: consistency is the key. Consistency over intensity, consistency over intensity, consistency over intensity. You need to repeat that. You need to put it on your forehead. You need to write it down. It's so key. And what we want to do in terms of flexibility with movement, this is why I think it's so important to have it, is because we do need to factor in your day-to-day life. So how did you sleep yesterday? What did you eat? How's your bowel movements? How is your stress levels? How's your energy levels from a 1 to a 10? And how do you feel generally overall? Now, based off that, should be then based off what you're going to do that day movement-wise. So it varies.